How does robot emotional intelligence use empathy? Imagine talking to a robot that seems to really understand how you feel. That's what robot emotional intelligence aims to do by using empathy. It's not about robots feeling emotions, but about them recognizing and responding to human feelings in a way that feels natural. First, robots use sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze signals like facial expressions, voice tone, gestures, and even physiological cues such as heart rate or skin temperature. This helps the robot identify what emotion a person might be experiencing. For example, if someone is frowning and speaking in a slow voice, the robot might recognize sadness or frustration. Once the emotion is identified, the robot interprets the context and how intense the feeling is. This step involves understanding what the person might be going through. It's like the robot adopts a simplified version of human empathy by trying to see things from the person's point of view. This helps the robot decide how to respond appropriately. The robot then generates responses that mimic empathy. It might say comforting words, offer a supportive gesture, or change its behavior to match the emotional state. For example, a healthcare robot might gently reassure a patient who appears anxious. Even though robots don't feel emotions, they are programmed to simulate caring responses to make interactions more positive. As the robot interacts more, it learns from each encounter. It notices patterns in how a person reacts and adjusts its responses accordingly. This ongoing learning makes the robot better at understanding individual emotional cues over time. In the world of humanoid and artificial intelligence robots, emotional intelligence with empathy is especially useful. These robots can help in healthcare by detecting when patients are distressed and providing comfort. They can also be used in education to adapt teaching styles based on student frustration or engagement. Building trust is another benefit of empathetic robots. When humans see that a robot responds appropriately to their feelings, they are more likely to feel comfortable and open up. This makes robots more effective in social roles like companions or customer service agents. It's important to remember that robot empathy is artificial. Robots do not experience feelings themselves but use programmed models to predict and respond to human emotions. This helps create interactions that feel more human and supportive. Overall, robot emotional intelligence uses empathy by combining emotion detection, understanding the situation, and responding in a caring way. This makes robots better at helping and engaging with people naturally and effectively.